Where's he at? Let's see. Hey.
Xander. Hey. Xander. Hey. Hey, Xander. Hey.
Hey, Xander. Hey.
He's looking at the water. Xander. Hey. Here you go. Say hi, Daddy.
Hey. What's going on? Is that good? That tastes good.
What are you doing in there?
It tastes good, don't it?
What are you doing in there?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Tell me about it. Is it good?
You're goofy.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Can I borrow
Hey.
this? Whoa. 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 Is this a ducky? Is this a ducky? You like duckies. Oh,
Oh.
here's a ducky.
Oh.
Dinosaur? You like dinosaurs? Huh? Whoop.
Hey.
Okay, let Mommy pick you up a little bit. There we go. Here. Whoop. See, I have a little bit of a hard time. There you go, buddy. Okay, let's rinse off. Careful. Hold on. The only thing I like about the other tub better is that he was sitting like tilted back and he didn't get water in his eyes. Because I can't really tilt his head back, he'll lose his balance.
Right.
Yeah, so he gets water in his eyes now.
Say ham good?
Oh, hi! He's like, I'm ready to get out, Daddy. Okay, all done. All done. All done.
All right.